Hey guys, it's Dean from Extreme Car Cleaning, and as you can tell, this hood needs some serious correction. Okay, there's some marring on here from washing it. Got some other issues going on. A little bit of bug debris on there that's got to come off. Okay, it's etched its way in the paint a little bit. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do probably a two-step polish on this because it looks kind of rough. So I'm going to do a two-step polish on this, and then I'm going to put shield on it and Masterson's Legend Wax. Hopefully I can get all these marks out of here. They should come out. Most of them are pretty, they look like they're just mostly surface scratches, so hopefully all of that'll come out. Okay guys, for this particular job, I'm going to use the rotary polisher to start with, and then I'm going to finish it off with my, my corks. Now if I only cut this hood with this rotary, there'll be swirl marks all over it, so that's why I go over it with the oscillating pad afterwards to cut any polishing marks. The reason I like using the rotary is if it needs a heavy cut, I tend to find this is the fastest way to cut it. And it leaves it very, very smooth. So I was trained on this machine first 30 years ago, so I'm pretty used to this machine. And the trick to the rotary is, what I was taught anyway, is keep it as flat as possible and keep the speed down, and you'll have less issues with it. So that's as far as we go with that. I'm going to finish off the rest of this hood, and then I'm going to show you when I finish this with the oscillating polisher. Okay guys, now as you can see, this looks pretty good. Now I cut this with a cutting compound, with a 3D cutting compound and a rotary. And there's no swirls in here, there's no polishing marks, there's nothing, okay? That's the way it's supposed to look. Now, just to make sure that everything is perfect, I am going to cut this a second time. I'm going to go over this with a oscillating polisher, just to make sure that there's absolutely no fine scratches left, no hazing, no polishing marks. So like I did the first pass, what I want to do is prime my pad first. Okay. And on the first pass, I used the rotary at 1000 RPM. Okay. This is a different machine. This machine here, I'm going to use it at 2800. And I find that I have the best control with that at that speed. But you have to find what's comfortable for you and gives you the very best cut. Each person's technique is different, and it doesn't matter what the technique is, as long as the results are the same at the end. using here is HD Speed. I'm using a medium cut pad. Okay, because all I want to do right now is just take out any polishing marks that were left behind. So that's more than enough. I don't need to go crazy. All the heavy cuttings have already come out when I use the rotary. Okay, I'm going to finish polishing up this hood and then I'll show you the end result. I just put Masterson Shield on the hood here, and I just have to tell you guys, oh, this stuff, it smells amazing. Of all the paint sealants I've ever used, no word of a lie, this smells the best out of everything I've ever seen. I've used a lot of different paint sealants over the years, and I've never had one that smelled this good. All their products smell great. The rim cleaner, pretty much anything I've used, it has a really nice scent to it. It goes on really easy. I've used it a few times. It goes on easy. It sets up very quick, and then you just take it off with a soft microfiber, and it takes it right off. Very simple to use. I really like that product. Another product I'm going to use is the Legend Car Wax. Now, this paste wax, you can smell that it's a very high concentration of carnauba, okay, because it has that strong scent to it, and it smells really nice. But you only get this with a high-end wax. You won't get that kind of smell off a cheaper wax. You can tell the difference. Anyways, I've used this product as well. It goes on really, really easy. And you can leave it on for a long length of time and then take it off afterwards. It doesn't turn rock hard like some other paste waxes that are out there. So as you can tell, after I polish this with both steps, it's pretty clean. So like I said, it doesn't matter what technique you use, as long as you're getting excellent results at the end, because everybody has their own technique. Some guys, you know, like doing it high speed, some guys do it lower speed. It really doesn't matter at the end of the day. If you're getting a good clean finish like this, then that's all that matters.